E is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Elephants are large with long trunks. E is for egg. E-G-G, egg. Eggs are full of nutrients and come from birds. E is for engine. E-N-G-I-N-E, engine. Engines help cars and planes move. E is for eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Eagles soar high in the sky.